Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 60 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you want to grab this and build along with me, head over to this link. There's a clickable version in the description below. Pop. And that will take you to the Fanhome website, folks, where you too can grab one of these 1/3 scale RoboCops and be building along with me, peeps. Right, let's have a quick scoop through the magazine, see what we got. Arms, computers and action figures. History of RoboCop there. Big old guns he's got going on. Some more there with the screen art, things like that. Little data files. We got the waist section today, folks, going on the front of RoboCop there. So we've got him just stood to the left there waiting. So we'll be fitting that. Okay. Couple of screws, EP screws, and this is what we're going to end up with. Okay. And it's going to sit at the back there, just above Robo Buns. Okay. We've then got 100 years of robots, cutting edge technology, interfaces that go in the brain, Neuralink. You then got AI, and then obviously implants that can go in the body as well for medical reasons. So quite scary, isn't it, where the technology's going. So that's the magazine done. So this is what we've got today, folks. A little closing section there of his waist that's going to go on the rear. So let's grab one of the EP screws and we'll put a bit of oil on it. And we'll start assembly for today. So let's lay that there and bring in robo legs, folks. So let's do that. Lay that in place just over there. Got a couple of locating pins as well. And then we can feed the screw right down this little recess. Like so. You might want to use the screwdriver that came with the Partwork for this, because it's quite a deep recess. And some of these little magnetic screwdrivers just aren't long enough to go right down there. There you go. So that's that waist section in, like so. Just closes that off nicely, like that. Okay, so that's what we're going to end up with today, folks. Nice little bit of closing off of the rear of RoboCop there, ready for the next stage. Okay, so if you would like to grab this and build along with me, follow this link here to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable version in the description below. Pop. And take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/3 scale replica, folks. Yes, 1/3 scale. Also, to help me out, if you can just click little Festa in the corner there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Really does help me grow the channel, folks. I'm immensely grateful. Also ring the bell whilst you're there, select all, and you'll get notified of upcoming content. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you next time. Stay safe and well, folks. Bye-bye.